And then here, let me give you money. Yes. This should be enough.
And Sarah, you said?
Yeah. What's up, everyone? This is 117. Prizm. What? How much did I give you?
Why am I giving her money?
Oh, I thought that's definitely enough, right? We'll see Ortiz. We'll see if we get to it, Ortiz. Check Ortiz. DM the Esplez account. DM Esplez on Instagram. You want Instagram? Alright. Last FOTL of the night. Number 12 of Sapphire is next. Number 12 of Sapphire, 12 and 13. Yeah, DM me, Cruz. Guess the first shimmer for 20. Guess it for 20. What's up, Eduardo? Yeah. Hopefully the black, the true black, unless it's in this break for Doc, of Wemby doesn't hit. I have 9 boxes of this in my PC now. They're never going to be open. 9 boxes in my PC. Take your 12s of Sapphire. Take your 12s. It's next. If you wanted the next break, take it. The spots that are left hit like crazy besides the black, but the black's one of the bigger chases. Sapphire's been amazing overall. There is a gold shimmer sweat. We'll save it. There's at least one gold shimmer. At least. I haven't been looking at the borders, but I saw the gold shimmer. So you have at least one sweat. You have at least one sweat. Could be multiple, though. Cason Wallace. There's a nice Jet Howard purple ice with a nice card behind it. Jet Howard purple ice. And then here's a nice red power of Asar Thompson for Karam A. So Karam A is on the board. 59 to 75. 2 rookie colors. Pajemski. Mari Silver. Where's she going?
Yes, she's leaving now.
Perfect. Hope she's back after we do 12.
Oh yeah, she's quit.
I mean, like,
Oh.
if she times it where she's back just after 12. Like break 12.
Oh, okay.
Lottery silver of Amen Thompson. Is that the guess? No. Red or brown. The guess is the first shimmer. I don't think we had a shimmer yet. Milligrams.
Nope.
Anthony Black. Lottery Dick. OG. Can we just hit a Wemby gold shimmer? We're allowed to. Maxwell Lewis. Yeah, it probably is. I don't even want to look. I'm too scared. Cam Johnson, blue ice. For the blue ice. Watson, silver. Where are you, Wemby? There's purple of Embiid. White of Brunson. Amen. Howard. Come on. Where are the shimmers? Where are the shimmers? Base auto of Gway. The thing is, we had so many with like extra. GG silver. Base auto of Robbins. Ooh. Edwardov. Edwardov. He gets a green shimmer of LeBron James. Edwardov. I think that's the second green shimmer I've hit of the King.
Second?
Nice piece, Edwardov. Nice piece. We might be short of shimmer in this box. We had extra shimmers throughout the whole day. 1 of 5. But the other shimmer in this box would have been like a disaster. Anyway, if you have LeBron, it's a setup, man. I know if you have the shimmer spots, it's annoying. Council the 4th. All right, last box of the case. This case was a disaster for the most part. The King came out. And that LeBron for Edwardov. Go Edwardov. Red. Serge Ibaka. Take your number 12s of Sapphire so we go straight through. I love Josh Hart. I love him. I bet it's a glitch. Just bet his over on everything props when we have all these injuries. Just bet every time. He hits it. Hits it every time. All right, blue shimmer's coming. Blue ice of Melo. Siakam. Blue shimmer for the blue shimmer. Oh, the heart. Oh, no, I don't need the card, but I guess you don't need it either. I love, he's like the best player, like for a team. Every team needs a heart. Vince Carter red, every team. I just love him so much. Look at his last few games, guys. His numbers are insane. Sasser. I just love him. Base auto of Lundy. There's a Bates on the red power. There's a Wemby and a lottery Wemby. And we have purple of Grant. LaMelo, blue ice. I don't know. Ask Meech. Meech he bought the Cavs early. I don't know why they like him, honestly. Wallace, Pulsar of black, Monk on the true white. All right, gold shimmer to end it. For Karam A. Gold shimmer to end it. Amen. We'll take it. We'll take it. Jaime Hawkins on the gold shimmer. Nice hit for Karam A. That's the biggest hit I've seen for Karam A. in years. Jaime Jaquez. Nice piece for Carame. It's the second one of these I've hit. 5 of 10. There's a nice break, because the case was a disaster up until this break. Nice piece. Nice Jaquez. All right, now let's go back to the better product. Oh, yeah, and a red Wemby. Oh, yeah, so it had some cards. Heart. Love Heart. No, he's not a hitter. It's like a pinch hit. He's a pinch hitter. Oh, he's giving it to me.
Oh.
It was like a bunt. It was like him. Well, he's like 1 for 12. All right. Wemby's are beating. And then Jaquez and LeBron. There you go, Eduardov and Karam A. We've hit 3 of these Jaquez's now. Video went viral. We're a viral video industry. All right, let's do the better product. Everyone wake up. Let's do the better product.